Come test drive the 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, bed liner, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.